Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping all file activity so nothing corrupts. Unlock the iPhone, then close the app that accessed the USB accessory. This prevents background writes. Open Files, find the external drive or USB volume, and tap Eject or Stop. This unmounts the file system. Once done, watch for the activity LED to go out or a confirmation that the volume disconnected. Make sure no transfers are running before you touch the connector to avoid data loss. Now disconnect the USB or adapter properly to protect the port. Grip the connector head, not the cable, and pull straight out with steady, even pressure. This prevents bending the metal pins. If you used a USB adapter or camera connector, remove the flash drive or accessory from the adapter first, then remove the adapter from the iPhone. Avoid rocking or twisting wildly. Only tiny, controlled wiggles if the connector seems tight, because rough force can damage the port. Or finish by checking the port and confirming the phone still works. Inspect the Lightning or USB-C opening for lint or bent pins. Remove debris with a dry, soft brush or a short burst of compressed air. Never introduce liquids. Once clean, plug in a known good cable to test charging and a quick data sync to ensure functionality. If the connector is physically stuck, do not force it. Use a plastic spudger or contact a repair professional to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.